Hi, my name's Daniel from iLobby. Today, we'll be walking through the iLobby dashboard. To access the dashboard, first you'll need to navigate to the iLobby portal using portal.goilobby.com. The iLobby dashboard runs exclusively online and can be accessed from your computer, tablet, or mobile device. Once you have successfully logged into your personal dashboard, you will have live access to all visitors in the facility. The information you see will be the following: the date when they signed in, the time they signed in, the visitor's name, the company they work for, the type of visitor they are, who their host is, which office they're visiting, and how long they've been on the premises for. In addition, you have the ability to add notes to each individual listed in the dashboard. To add a note, simply click the yellow pencil and a note page will pop up. Add the information required and click the green Save button when completed. These notes will be saved beside the visitor's profile in your dashboard and can be accessed at all times. They will also appear in your end-of-day visitor report log. Now, I'm going to take you through the graph and chart displayed on the lower portion of the dashboard. On the bottom left corner, you'll see a graph. This graph will display all your visitor activity for the last 30 days and help you determine which days were the most active. On the bottom right, you'll see a pie chart. In this chart, you have access to view which of your employees have been visited the most over the last 90 days. If you click on any of the hosts on the pie graph, you will be redirected to a page providing you with a customized report of your host visitors' activities for the past 90 days. You can also register your own visitor by selecting the green Register Visitor button on the top right corner of the dashboard. You will have the option to either sign in the visitor or invite a new visitor. If you have any further questions on how to use the iLobby dashboard, please visit our website at goilobby.com or send us an email at support@goilobby.com, and we will be happy to help you.